What Wednesday Addams did, I'm gonna be at the gym like.
Who is you fooling? Nah, not me. We can spend time, but my time not free.
Hold on, y'all. Hold on. All right, we ready. What's up? It's your girl Jamear of All Trades, and oh my goodness, we're back with another video. What's up, guys? If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. I do a lot of try-on hauls, but this is my very first Savage by Fenty one, and I literally just got back from her Team Fenty Beauty tailgate literally a couple of hours ago. I got a lot of merch. I got my shade tested and all, so I felt like this is the perfect time to do my try-on haul. Anyways, I'm not gonna hold you guys up because I know y'all clicked on this video because you want to see the haul. So without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah. All right, guys, so we're starting it off with some sleep / loungewear. These are basically pajamas. The rest of the haul is activewear because, you know, she's a gym girly, but I thought it would be really cute to start with the activewear. So I actually saw, because I wasn't interested in getting any loungewear from her at first. I only strictly wanted workout clothes, but I saw like a UGC ad or something that she has. Those are very good, by the way, because they totally work. Yeah, so I saw one of her ads and I saw like a thick girly talking about how she got to size up so it can be comfortable, she can lounge around in it and not feel too tight. And that was the best thing I could have saw, because I was like, not only did it look so good on her so it made me want it, but I also knew like, oh, I want them to be loose and they already have a relaxed fit. So I absolutely adore these. You can check out the details in the back. So the back is out, honey. The back is out. It's still giving like sexy a little bit, but it's very comfortable. It reminds me of like kitty pajamas, but make it adult and make it very, you know, sexy, if you will. You can see the detail, Savage. I love it. I actually want to get it now in blue because they have the royal blue one. My only advice, like I said, if you want a more relaxed fit to size up, okay, if you're new here, you don't know this, but I literally am in between extra large and 1X. I'm always in between, so when I want a more looser fit, I will go to the 1X. When I know that I want a tighter fit, i.e. for like a form-fitting dress, I would veer towards the extra large type vibe. So knowing what I know, I decided to go to a 1X with this. So take with that information what you need, if you will. So yeah, that is it. It's giving slumber sis, okay? It's giving cutie with a booty, getting kind of moody because she needs a little sleep. I don't know what else to say. All right, but yeah, we love this look. Next one, y'all. This right here, this right here. Oh, this it. Like literally, it's probably like 1 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm not even kidding. I literally just want to go to the gym. It instantly motivates me to be a better woman, because you expect me not to go to the gym with this on? You expect this not to be seen? Not happening. Like the type of outfit that you go to the gym for, and you squat real low. Not to catch a man, but because it motivates you. You can't come in here doing no lackluster stuff with this on. Okay, and that concludes my TED talk about how when you look good, you feel good, you work out good. Okay, and that's that. So those of you that know or that are familiar with my weight loss journey / fitness journey knows that I only pretty much go to the gym to like work out, but I like to feel good and look good. So if I don't have a cute outfit, I don't feel as motivated. This is top tier motivation to go to the gym. Like, I'm just so pleased with it. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared at first because when I was pulling her up, I was like, these aren't gonna fit. And I literally want to size up because of one of my favorite influencers, Talitha Jane. She got a big, you know what I'm saying? She got a lot of junk in the trunk. She said she had to get the 1X, and this girl's smaller than me. So just be mindful, ladies, if you are getting this and you are a plus size / curvy girl, you got a lot of junk in the trunk, you got that thing, that wagon dragon, you might need to go a size up. So these are 1X. as well as this is a 1X. I usually can do an extra large top because I'm not as big at the top, if that makes sense, but I would just recommend going a size up because it is very tight, but not uncomfortable tight. It's just a really good material. Like, this is high quality stuff. This is not no cheap, I ain't saying no names, but this ain't no cheap like stuff that you can work out in, but you feel a little uncomfortable because people can see through it and you gotta not wear. It's too much. It's too much. It's not that. It's not that. So I'm really excited because it feels like a super durable quality. Like, I feel like I'm gonna sweat in it, but it's gonna have like a, I don't know if this is real, but it's giving high quality to the point where if I sweat, it might like absorb the sweat. Like, what's it called? Where you pour something on it and it runs right off. It feels like that type of good quality. Like, I'm so in love with this. You do size up because it is tight, but in all the right places, okay? A win is a win. I don't care what nobody say. A win is a, what? Say it with me. Oh, okay. The top, this is the back of the top up close. It's like a bra strap. So like, just keep that in mind, ladies. I thought I was just gonna put it over my head. It is like a tight fit, but not in a bad way. Like, I feel like it'll actually, matter of fact, I ain't did one of these in a minute. Jumpin' jacks head. Yeah, she not going nowhere. We're good, we're good, okay? It's like a bra, but make it work out and make it comfortable. This is cinches in the waist. Like, it's giving shape. It's giving body. It's giving she is a workout assassin. Don't play with her. This is Jamear approved. This is by far my favorite one. So this one I'm super excited about because y'all know I don't really like wearing dark colors to the gym. Like, I like bright neon, pastel. Also, I just like colors. So this shocked me that I wanted the black, but it looks so good that I just had to have it. It's also the inverted. These pants are the inverted of my black and pink ones. And I'm so glad I got it because, like, you do need balance. You do need some darker colors when you go to the gym. Some days you may not want to be bright as the sun or green as grass. You want to, you know, take it deep, take it dark. The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice, okay? You want to get real dark up in this mug. Come in, give it Wednesday. I'm going too far off the deep end. Okay, the point is, I love this. And this time I didn't get the exact same top. I decided to do this one because it just looks so sexy. I'm just so in love with this. And yeah, this is definitely Jamear approved. Y'all. See, this is why you're not supposed to order stuff separately. I ordered the wrong color tops. The bottoms are Sweet Jam Red. Shout out to Jam. Jam I am. And the top that I bought is Red Cocoa. These two different reds. Like, I'm a matching girl. Like, I mix and match when I get my matching sets, but I love, it's nothing more satisfying than having a matching set when it's matching. That's me though, that's me. The point is, I don't know about this, so I'm probably gonna send this back and get the right color to go with these. These are the Sweet Jam Red. It must be jam because jelly don't shake like that. Love these pants. At this point, it's not even a question on whether I approve these or not. Like, these are all Jamear approved, duh. But yes, and I would even wear this to the gym, like with the black top. It's something that just looks so good about it. I will say that these pants are different material than these two pants that I just tried on. This is more like, I was gonna say a construction paper type material. But yes, think of it as construction paper, whereas this is given, what's another type of paper? Like a vinyl paper, if that makes sense. I don't know, that probably didn't. It's slightly different, but it's still firm. It's not giving wide rule. These are the details on the side. Once again, I almost thought I couldn't fit them. They were really tight, but they ended up being a perfect fit. This is Jamear approved. Like, well guys, it's safe to say that I'm going to have to do a part 2 because I gotta get some more Savage Fenty. Like, at this point, it was written. It was already written before I put on the clothes. Make sure you subscribe so you can check out my part 2. Also, I did want to show you some of the goodies that I got from the Team Fenty tailgate. So if you did want to see how that day went, make sure you check out my vlog. It will be coming up next, okay? I really enjoyed this try on haul. Like I said, this is my very first time doing Savage by Fenty, but it will not be my last. I'm actually been converted to a fan of this brand, someone that hopefully in the future is giving Savage by Fenty brand ambassador, okay? Because I mean, do we see what the body is doing in this? You need this, Miss Bree. You need this. I'm super happy, super pleased. I'm big on quality when it comes down to clothes, especially being a plus size curvy gworl. You gotta know, like, you can't have super see-through things that ride up, things that make you feel uncomfortable, things that you don't feel beautiful in. And this is for any woman. You want to make sure, especially when you're going to the gym, you're feeling comfortable and not having to feel super self-conscious or worry about what you're wearing, so you can focus on what you're there for, which is your fitness journey, with whatever that may look like, or your health journey. So I'm just super pleased by this, and she definitely has a new consumer. Comment down below, guys, and let me know what you think of this haul. Let me know what else you would like for me to try on, because I volunteer as tribute, okay, to be the guinea pig to try some of these places. If you really want me to, I will, but you gotta comment down below and let a girl know, okay? I'm also the rhyming queen. Yeah, you will know that if you subscribe. So anyways, guys, it's been a pleasure talking to you guys and doing this video. I'm so pleased. I'm literally about to go on Fenty.com right now and buy some more stuff. But until next time, girls and guys, girlies, everything, I will see y'all later. Bye. This is Jamear approved, guys. What Wednesday Addams did, I'm gonna be at the gym like. Yeah, Wednesday Addams will make it Tuesday Addams. I'm just like, yeah, the people downstairs are gonna fucking hate me, okay? That I know that's an unpopular opinion, because you girlies be fashion girlies and be like, why are you wearing your matching sets matching? I'm like, I don't know, because they're matching sets. I don't know. Anyway, if you're normally like a extra large or medium or whatever the case may be, you might be fine with the medium. But if you know sometimes you need to go a size up, go a size up, honey. Cause I ain't got enough money. She gonna take all my money. Can y'all buy me a whole new outfit? Cause I need this in red. I need this in like every color.